In this video, you'll learn how to deploy a PHP project on Vercel. By following these steps, you will have your project live and accessible on the web in no time. Start by navigating to the Vercel website using your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the Vercel homepage, which features a clear call to action for creating new projects. If prompted, sign in with your account credentials to access your dashboard. Next, locate and click on the Overview tab in the navigation menu. This section provides a summary of your projects and recent activity. After clicking, ensure you see a list of your existing projects and a button for adding new ones. After that, find and click on the Add New button. This option typically appears prominently on the page. Once you click it, a drop-down menu should appear, offering various project creation options. Once this appears, select Project from the drop-down menu. This action will lead you to a new screen where you can begin the project setup process. You should see options to clone existing templates or start a new project. Now, click on Clone Template. This option allows you to create a project based on a predefined template. Following this action, a selection of available templates will be displayed for you to choose from. Next, click on Browse All to view a full list of templates. This will take you to a gallery where you can choose the most suitable template for your needs. Make sure to review the available options thoroughly. Afterwards, find and click on Builder.io Shopify Commerce. This template is tailored for e-commerce projects and provides a solid starting point. Once selected, the template details will appear on your screen. Then click on the same Builder.io Shopify Commerce's option again to confirm your choice. This step ensures that you are ready to proceed with this specific template for your project. After that, select Deploying to initiate the deployment process. Vercel will begin setting up your project based on the selected template. You will see a loading indicator, which may take some time, depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the template. Next, click on New Project to create a new project instance. This action will guide you to a new setup screen where you can configure your project settings. Then check the option to create a Git repository to easily update your project after deploying it. This is a valuable feature that automates future deployments when you push updates to the repository. Now, click on Git Scope to specify the scope of your repository. This step is essential for ensuring that your project is linked to the correct repository for future updates. After that, click on Private Repository Name to assign a name to your repository. Ensure that this name is unique and descriptive of your project. Next, select Vercel Team to choose which team or organization will manage the project. This option is particularly useful if you're working within a collaborative environment. Once this is completed, click on New Project again to finalize the project creation process. This action will lead you to the next steps of the deployment. Then click on Create to confirm and set up your project. This is a crucial step as it solidifies the project parameters you have set. After that, select Deployment to view the deployment options available for your project. Here, you can check the status and settings of your deployment. Next, click on Preparing Git repository to initiate the process of linking your project with the Git repository. This may take a moment, so be patient. Then click on Build Logs to view the logs of the deployment process. This section provides insights into any issues or progress during the deployment. Now click on Deployment Summary to get an overview of the deployment status. This is helpful for confirming that everything has been set up correctly. Next, select Assigning Custom Domains to set up a domain for your project. This step is important for making your project accessible under a custom URL. Finally, wait for Vercel to generate the template. This process may take some time, depending on the template's complexity and your internet connection speed. Monitor the progress and ensure everything is proceeding smoothly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.